Clicking around, hoping to find bugs, is not exploratory testing. Today, I'll show you the difference, and Claude makes it easy. Subscribe so you don't miss what's coming. Most testers explore by instinct. They open the app, click around, and test what feels important. Sometimes that works, but it also means the same areas get tested repeatedly, while entire categories of risk go untouched. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Claude to go into every exploratory testing session with a clear mission, a structured plan, and a targeted list of exactly what to look for. Not to replace your instincts, to sharpen them. Here's what we're covering. First, what session-based exploratory testing actually is and why it's more effective than testing without a plan. Then how to generate a session charter in one prompt. Mission, scope, risks, everything. We'll also use a heuristic framework called SFDIPOT to make sure we're covering every angle of a feature. Then we'll get Claude to generate a targeted list of attack ideas for specific feature types. And finally, how to ask Claude to identify the riskiest areas before you start, so you know where to focus your time. Let's set the foundation. Scripted testing follows pre-written steps. It's great for regression and for verifying known flows. But it has a blind spot. It only finds bugs in the areas you already knew to look. Exploratory testing is different. It's mission-driven, not step-driven. You go in with a goal, and you adapt in real time based on what you discover. The key word is simultaneous. You're designing, executing, and learning all at the same time. And here's the important thing about Claude's role. Claude is not the explorer. You are. Claude's job is to help you plan the session so that when you sit down to test, you're not guessing. You already know your mission, your scope, and your attack list. This is the charter prompt. We give Claude the role of a senior QA tester, specializing in exploratory testing. The context is the feature, the shopmate checkout, with a brief description of what it does. The task is to generate a 60-minute session charter, and the format lists every section we want back. Look at what Claude produces on the right. A clear mission statement that tells you exactly what you're trying to find. A defined scope, so you're not drifting into unrelated areas. A specific list of risks to investigate. Discount code edge cases, concurrent sessions, payment failure states, and an out-of-scope section so you know what to ignore. This is your pre-flight checklist before every session. Now, let's talk about SFDIPOT. This is a testing heuristic created by James Bach, and it's one of the most useful tools an exploratory tester can have. Each letter stands for a different dimension of the system you should be thinking about. Structure, what is the system physically made of? Function, what does it do? Data, what goes in and comes out? Interfaces, what external systems does it connect to? Platform, what does it run on? Operations, how will real users actually use it, including the unexpected ways? And time, what happens over extended periods, with timeouts, retries, and expired sessions? The prompt is simple. Apply the SFDIPOT heuristic to this feature and give me 2 attack ideas per category. Claude will fill in every row instantly. Here's the output when you ask Claude for targeted attack ideas. Look at the discount code field section. Expired codes, already used codes, codes with spaces, uppercase versus lowercase. Those are the obvious ones. But then look at what comes next. SQL injection strings, script tag injection, applying a code twice, applying 2 codes simultaneously. These are the attacks that catch developers off guard and where real bugs hide. Same with the order submission section, double-clicking place order, closing the tab during payment processing, a network drop mid-transaction. Every item on this list is a specific scenario you can test in under 2 minutes. Claude generates this in seconds. Let's recap. You now know how to use Claude to plan a full exploratory testing session before you even open the app. You've seen the session charter prompt, the SFDIPOT heuristic in action, and a full attack idea list for a real feature. Remember, Claude doesn't do the exploring. You do. Claude makes sure that when you start, you're not wasting time on areas that don't matter, and you're not missing areas that do. In video 7, We move to test data. How to generate realistic, edge case-rich test data in any format: JSON, CSV, SQL, in one prompt.